I know everybody probably looking out their window like, what is this lady doing? Why? She about to put her mask right back on. And you're right, I am about to put my mask right back on. And don't give a fuck.
And don't. And I'm putting it right back on.
Oh. And my gloves. And so what? I'm trying to get some content. Trying to get some content. Hey y'all, what's up? I'm sitting in the car, and I just thought of a brilliant idea. I'm about to put my makeup on in the car before I leave. Well, I'm already gone, but before I start driving. So, let's get to it. I got my makeup bag here in my lap. Right here. I'm sitting here. It's the parking lot with cars in it, because that's what parking lots do. They hold cars. Oh, my chest hurting. It's the lady standing over here by the car, but I don't know what she doing. My skin look good on this camera right here, honey. Like this. Oh, look, y'all. I'm all over the place. You see my hands? My hands don't match my face, and I don't have any makeup on. None whatsoever, right? So, I just want y'all to know, when I put my makeup on, I put my makeup on my face to match my neck, not my hands. So, when I be like, whatever, duh, my hands gonna be darker than my face, because my face is lighter than my hands. You feel me? But anyway, I digress. Let me just go on and do this real quick, because I ordered some food from Waffle House. My chest is really hurting. I think I'm stressed. I ordered some food from Waffle House. I want to cry. Like, I'm so emotional right now, and I'm not on my cycle. Maybe TMI, but I'm not on my cycle, and I took a break from my birth control pill. I want to cry. Like, I'm really going through something right now, but it's okay. I'm doing this video to get out of it, and I'm excited to edit it. But I got like a million videos that I have to edit already before this can even go out. So anyway, like, I'm really rambling. So check this out. I think I'm stalling because this is like one of the worst things you can do. One of the worst things you can do, literally. But I have a beauty blender, but it's not clean. But I clean my beauty blenders after each use. This is the only time that I'm not. But I did wash my face and put moisturizer and sunscreen and all of that on it. I had an appointment this morning, so that's why. Well, that's not why. Yeah, that's why I put sunscreen on. So, like, I'm actually literally sitting right here outside of the appointment. But I already went in and everything. I'm just finna go to Waffle House now. Let me hurry up for my food be cold. So, y'all, this finna be fast. I sound so ghetto right now. Like, this is the real me, okay? Ghetto, but classy. A little bit. Okay, so I'm using NYX in 2 different colors. I got this. Why did I get this? I don't even know why I got this, but I had it for a long time. I think I knew it was too dark. I don't know. But this one, they ran out of nutmeg, which is my actual color for these foundations. Nutmeg is my color for these foundations, and they ran out. So I got this color, which is mahogany, and the darker color is deep cool. Really? So what I do is mix both of them to get something close to my skin complexion. And I do 1 pump, and then do 1 pump of the dark color. Okay, and my beauty blender is still damp because, like I said, I wash it every day except for today. So it's still damp from when I washed it yesterday. So we are going to go ahead, somebody walking by too, but we go ahead and apply to the skin. She looked like she lost. She pretty too. Oh, I guess I should have turned my car off for this. But oh, I got a pimple coming. I feel it. It hurts. I hate that feeling, y'all. When you got a pimple and it hurt. You know, I just hate the feeling, period, of just having pimples. Like, it's frustrating. But when I go back on my birth control, everything will be just fine. My life will be good. So, there we go. That looks... I don't understand how this phone had me looking so good before makeup. Maybe it's just I'm far away. Like, do I really look that good without makeup? Because I can't see myself past the acne sometimes, you know? Like, I done had it for so long, it's like, even though my skin is clearing up, it's like, bitch, I don't know, shawty. But anyway, this is the LA Girl Pro Conceal, which I use all the time, every day. This is the color Fawn. Okay. I know y'all can hear my car. I got my seat warmer. Is that another pimple I feel? I got my seat warmer on. Oh man, I didn't take a before picture. I think I can just screenshot. This lady really just standing by the car. Yeah, my bad if y'all hear my car humming. And I'm sorry that this is like kind of ghetto. Not really ghetto, but just like the quality is not, you know, it's not the greatest. I can't even cap and say it's not what it usually is, because sometimes my quality, listen, it's still a struggle. So don't judge me and my progress or lack thereof. And now I'm using the Fenty Beauty, what is this, Pro Filter powder in the color Banana. And I'm just gonna set my eyes underneath and my forehead and my lid. I do like to put the foundation on my lid if I'm not wearing eyeshadow. Y'all, this is the most ghetto video that I have done. Or maybe unprofessional. I think that's the word I'm looking for. I'm not gonna say ghetto, because a lot of people do their makeup in the car. That's not ghetto, but unprofessional, because, you know, like I said, the quality, and just like, I literally just had this idea because I had my makeup bag in the car, you know. So I literally was like, I want my makeup on, why not do it on camera real quick? And I'm doing it. I think I might do a dark lip today because I'm feeling kind of dark. I kind of want to, like, I need to go to the gun range and let some things out. I'm kind of upset. But we're not going to talk about that right now. You're going to watch me do my makeup. So this is the Wet n Wild Brow Pencil in the color... What color this? Oh, Brunettes Do It Better. Number 623A. That's what color it is. So I'm sharpening it. I got this pencil sharpener from Coastal Scents, I think. And it has a, oh boy, I thought this man was security. I thought that he was about to come tell me I can't do my makeup in the car. Excuse me. I thought he was gonna tell me that I gotta move my car or something. I'm like, you can't interrupt me while I'm about to do my brows. But anyway, this is the Wet n Wild Brunettes Do It Better, number 623A. I got this from the dollar store. So I'm just filling in the brows. Yes, yes. I am not going to be concealing underneath. Yeah, they look a little excuse no, corona, don't do that. My brows look a little bit rugged, raggedy, whatever you want to call them. They're not like the greatest right now, but this is car makeup, you feel me? And I'm not going anywhere except to Waffle House. And like I said, I've already been to my appointment and I have my mask on. Anyway, so I'm gonna put this top right here because I don't know where it is. All right, so Fenty Beauty Espresso for a little light contour, very light. Though the camera says it's not so light. Y'all, my edges aren't done either. Do not judge me. They ain't gonna get done. All right. I just actually rub it across my forehead for the contour and then blend it out with the blender. I know everybody probably looking out their window like, what is this lady doing? Why? She about to put her mask right back on. And you're right. I am about to put my mask right back on. And don't give a fuck.
And don't. I'm putting it right back on.
Oh. And my gloves. And so what? I'm trying to get some content. All right. And then we go. I hope. See, look at my arm. It does not match my face, but it already was not matching my face before I started putting the makeup on. Okay, I blend like all the way like that, all the way up to my ear so that, you know, it's kind of like seamless. Oh, speaking of seams, I want to sew something, but when I do, that will not be a video because like I'm gonna be kind of learning myself. Like when I sew, I just walk. I don't even know. Like I usually don't use patterns. I just make up stuff as I go. But I think that if I do come up with something and it turns out nicely, then I might do a video. You know, y'all might like that. Tell me if you like it in the comments. Tell me if you like the idea. All right, so did that. I'm just gonna do mascara on my top lashes and not even that much because first of all, when you put on mascara, you're supposed to look down, and I have to look up because my mirror's up. Okay. Now, for lips, I don't really know what I want to do with my life. Like, that's literally, I really don't know. But we talking about makeup. So for the lips, I need to put on chapstick first. This is regular. Oh no, it's not regular. It is kind of, but not really. So this is, it says organic natural. I got this from, what's that lady name on Instagram? I forgot her name, but I will, it's right here somewhere. Right here. Here you go. It's right here. Her. I got a kit. She sells like body stuff, like excuse me, Epsom salt baths stuff with rose petals and body butter. The body butter is really, really good, and It's like a whipped soap that's in a jar. It smells amazing too. It's like, I don't know, but she sells like body care things, and this is, it's called Lippy Lip. This is not the website I went to, but it says lippylip.com, and this is what it came. I mean, this came in it. So anyway, put your little chapstick on. I'm using an auto lip liner, and I'm trying to see. This is in the color indigo. Yeah, let's do purple lips today. No purple lips. I kind of want to do purple lips, but you know, I'm just gonna fill these lips all the way in. I said these like they're not mine. All right. These are my lips, by the way. Like, I think you can kind of tell because they're not very plump at all. So this color, this lipstick is, I don't even know. Yes, I do. The lipstick is by excuse me, I don't know what's wrong with me. The lipstick is by Bite Beauty, and this is in the color Chai, like tea. And I'm gonna put that on the center of my lips. Not these lips, but these lips and my lips. And there we go. Like, I really didn't even have to put on lipstick because my mask is about to go on. I'm done now. I don't have any setting spray in my bag, so I'm just gonna go. That's it, y'all. Thank you for entertaining me, and you know, all of that. Like, I really appreciate it. Now I can go to Waffle House and get some food. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Mwah.